Hello, friends and crypto enthusiasts. In today's video, we are going to be talking about cryptocurrencies. What is cryptocurrency? Without further ado, let's dive deeper into understanding cryptocurrencies, types of cryptocurrency, and are cryptocurrencies legal? What are the pros and cons of cryptocurrency, and what are the most frequently asked questions about cryptocurrency? Wait guys, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do that and like the video. We will appreciate it as this is your own impact on this channel. What is cryptocurrency? What are the applications and uses of cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital currency in which transactions are verified. And they are been maintained by a decentralized system using cryptography, rather than by a centralized authority. It said cryptocurrencies can be mined or purchased from cryptocurrency exchanges and can be used for cross-border payment. Cryptocurrencies are also digital or virtual currencies underpinned by cryptographic systems. They enable secure online payments without the use of third-party intermediaries and cannot be manipulated by any government, neither can they be double-spent. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. It is the most popular and valuable cryptocurrency. An anonymous person called Satoshi Nakamoto invented it and introduced it to the world via a white paper in 2008. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies present in the market today. Bitcoin was made available to the public in 2009 and it remains the most widely traded cryptocurrency. A quick reminder guys, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do that and also like this video. Each cryptocurrency is said to have a different function and specification. For example, Ethereum markets itself as gas for the basic smart contract platform. Also, Ripple's XRP is used by banks to facilitate transfers between different geographies. In the wake of Bitcoin's success, many other cryptocurrencies, known as altcoins, have been launched. Some of these are clones or forks of Bitcoin, while others are new currencies that were built from scratch. They include Solana, Litecoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and EOS. By November 2021, the aggregate value of all the cryptocurrencies in existence had reached over $2.1 trillion. Bitcoin represented approximately 41% of that total value. Are cryptocurrencies legal? We are going to bring in so many analogies to determine that. Cryptocurrencies are legal in the European Union. Derivatives and other products that use cryptocurrencies will need to qualify as financial instruments. The fiat currencies derive their authority as mediums of transaction from the monetary authorities. For example, each dollar bill is backstopped by the Federal Reserve. On the other hand, cryptocurrencies are not backed by any public or private entities. Therefore, it has been difficult to make a case for their legal status in different financial jurisdictions throughout the world. It doesn't help matters that cryptocurrencies have largely functioned outside most existing financial infrastructure, but they are still not accorded by other countries for one reason or the other. One of the advantages of cryptocurrencies we are going to be looking at is, cryptocurrencies promise to make it easier to transfer funds directly between two parties, without the need for a trusted third party like a bank or a credit card company. Such decentralized transfers are secured by the use of public keys and private keys and different forms of incentive systems, such as proof of work or proof of stake. Another advantage of cryptocurrencies is the ease of transfer between two parties. It saves us off the stress of going to the bank, and there's no government entity monitoring our transactions. A system with cryptocurrencies eliminates the possibility of a single point of failure, such as a large bank, setting off a cascade of crises around the world. The financial crisis of 2008, or the global financial crisis, the GFC, was a severe worldwide economic crisis that occurred in the late 2000s. It was the most serious financial crisis since the Great Depression. Cryptocurrency eliminates stories like this. Transactions on the blockchain set off on a fast and lower fees. Every good thing that have positive sides must also have bad sides too. Here are the disadvantages of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies have become a popular tool with criminals for nefarious activities such as money laundering and illicit purchases. The case of Dread Pirate Roberts, who ran a marketplace to sell drugs on the dark web, is already well known. Cryptocurrencies have also become a favorite of hackers who use them for ransomware activities. Although they claim to be an anonymous form of transactions, but cryptocurrencies are actually pseudonymous. They leave a digital trail that agencies such as the Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, can unravel. This opens up possibilities of governments or federal authorities tracking the financial transactions of ordinary citizens. One of the most frequently asked questions we are going to be addressing today is: what is cryptocurrency in plain words? Cryptocurrencies are digital assets and decentralized systems that allow for secure online payments. How do you get cryptocurrency? Any investor can purchase cryptocurrency from popular crypto exchanges such as Coinbase, apps such as Cash App, or through brokers. What is the main aim of cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrencies are a new paradigm for money. Their promise is to streamline existing financial architecture to make it faster and cheaper. Also, their technology and architecture decentralize existing monetary systems and make it possible for transacting parties to exchange value and money independently of intermediary institutions such as banks. Well, that's the video, guys. Kindly like and subscribe to this channel. You can also wait up on our next video, which we are going to be talking about smart contracts. Kindly stay safe out there. Thank you.